Hello everyone, this is Anjana. Today I and my friends are here to present about the author, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle.
Hello everyone. I am going to talk about the great writer Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle was born on 22 May 1859 in Edinburgh in a prosperous Irish family. He trained as a doctor, gaining his degree from Edinburgh University in 1881. He worked as a surgeon on a whaling boat and also as a medical officer. He then settled in Portsmouth on the English south coast and divided his time between medicine and writing. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle is most famous as the inventor of Sherlock Holmes, but he has a varied career as a writer, journalist and as a public figure. Sherlock Holmes made his first appearance in A Study of Scarlet, published in 1887. Its success made Conan Doyle to write more about Holmes, but in 1893 Conan Doyle killed off Holmes, hoping to concentrate more serious writing. A public outcry later made him resort to Holmes. In addition, Conan Doyle wrote a number of other novels including The Lost World and also another non-fictional books. Conan Doyle twice ran unsuccessfully for Parliament. In later life, he became very interested in spiritualism.
Here I am going to tell about the childhood and early life of the author, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. He belongs to an Irish Catholic family. His father was Charles Altamont Doyle. He was chronic alcoholic and moderately successful artist. His mother was Mary Foley Doyle. She was a well-educated woman, passion for books, was a master storyteller, and this helped Arthur to write many books. His father's behavior made the family poor. Thus, with the help of wealthy family members, he continued his studies in England at the age of 9. He spent 7 years in a Jesuit boarding school. He loathed the bigotry surrounding in his studies and rebelled of corporal punishment. During those grueling years, Arthur's only moments of happiness was writing letter to his mother. During that days, he realized that he also had the talent for storytelling. Family tradition would have dedicated the pursuit of an artistic career, yet Arthur decided to follow a medical one. A couple of years into his studies, he decided to try his pen and writing short story because he was inspired by the works of Edgar Allan Poe and Braveheart. After a few years, he obtained his Bachelor of Medicine and Master of Surgery degree. The prominent works of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle are Study in Scarlet, The Sign of Four, The Lost World, The Valley of Four, The Final Problem, The White Company, The Great Boer War, The Poison Belt, The Land Mist, The Crime of the Congo, Beyond the City, The Adventure of Devil's Foot, The Marigold.
Please sit. Put your money on the table. Welcome. The cards can illuminate your future. I have a feeling you're in danger.
Actually, I prefer to read your fortune. I see your next client is here to kill you. Oh, how I've missed you, Holmes.
I see your web of conspiracy has expanded.
I'm knee-deep in the single most important case of my career. The clues point in one direction.
Professor James Moriarty.
Are you sure you want to play this game? I'm afraid you'd lose. I agree it's not my best disguise, but I had to make do.
A Study in Scarlet is a 1887 detective novel written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. This novel marks the first appearance of Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson, who would become the most famous detective duo in popular fiction. Arthur Conan Doyle wrote this novel in 1886 and it was published in Beaton's Christmas Annual for 1887. Sherlock Holmes is the fictional private detective and always considered as a consulting detective throughout the stories. Holmes, known for his proficiency with observation, deduction, logical reasoning and forensic science, etc. In this novel, A Study in Scarlet, Sherlock Holmes solved the murder of Johnson Stangerson. This novel is also followed by the novel The Sign of the Four, published in 1890, which was also written by Doyle. A Study in Scarlet is the first work in detective fiction and Sir Arthur Conan Doyle is considered as the father of crime fiction.
John, you're a soldier. It's going to take you a while to adjust to civilian life. And writing a blog about everything that happens to you will honestly help you.
Well, you've made quite a name for yourself. People will be coming all over for your help. Let them come.
Awards: Knight Bachelor 1904, Knight of the Order of the Crown of Italy 1895, Nobel Prize for Literature 1902.